And here is a look at my new engine, and it has nice shiny new heads with an RV Stage 1 cam installed. Here is the left side header, Gibson stainless steel. There's the right side header. There's my brand new Harbor Freight engine stand. Really nice, I gotta say. This is the engine is now in the truck. We have green tape so that stuff does not fall down into the intakes. I had to fix the intake manifold again. The right side needed to be fixed. This is the left side under the thermostat. And so it had some cracks and some other things going on in there. So I made these two aluminum plates, embedded them in right stuff, and it should work. There's Archie and Poppy, my two kitties that I miss. Okay, so here we are getting ready to put the engine into the F-250 with the truck camper on. Remember, this engine, the prior engine built by Powertrain Products, blew up on me. The exhaust valve fell or broke and fell down into the piston, whereby it destroyed the piston, number 5, the front left, bent the rod, bent the wrist pin. The rod slammed into the cylinder wall, cracking the block, and all of the hot coolant in the engine blasted out into the oil pan, where it turned into a mocha milkshake kind of a blend that we had to flush out of the radiator and everything, clean that all up. So we're just getting the engine lined up here, putting it down, dropping it into the engine compartment, and we got to line it up with the pins, dowels on the transmission, and some other. Okay, had a good, long, busy day today. And the engine is in. So I got all the exhaust is hooked up, all the electrical is connected, intake manifolds on, fuel injection. Still got to put in the ignition coils, that's no big deal, and torque down the intake manifold. But after that, all I got to do is put in the alternator, the fan belt, radiator, shroud, connect those up. And everything is coming along very, very nicely. So hopefully there will be no more freak engine failures like a cracked oil sump tube or a broken exhaust valve. Other people have these engines that last for years and years, and I should too. And then this thing here is a block heater. It goes in line. You see the hose right there above the power steering pump. It connects right in that area, and it just heats the coolant. It rises and creates a circulation flow by the rising heat. But what's nice about it is if you have that plugged in an RV park, you can turn on your heater core fan and you will get warm air coming out of your heater core into the cab of the truck. Kind of interesting. Not perfect, but it's better than a block heater that goes into the freeze plug. This one here is a more active type of heater. So, yeah, got this all set. Then over here, where is it? We've got a new Yeah, right there in the center of the screen, we have a new center bearing and new U-joints. So you see the shiny U-joint back there, center of the screen. And we have new ones in the front drive shaft too. Oh boy, so there is my fan, reservoir, a couple of other things. So we will be cleaning. Oh, there's my 250 amp alternator. Love it. Tools, engine hoist, intake. So yes, I am anxious to get on the road. All right, I'm going to go and take a well-deserved shower. Okay. Got to clean this truck out here too. It's a mess. Whew. So this is my little barn apartment here that I can use the bathroom. I can do my dishes. I can cook here if I want. I can use the fridge if I want. But I haven't. I got all that in the camper. But I do have a nice new bathroom to use. And as you can see, I could definitely use a shower. I am a dirty, dirty boy. Grease, dust, dirt. My hair is stiff, it's so dirty. All right, look at that. Me and the unknown mechanic built all this, and he did the tile himself. Okay.